How to check username on LinkedIn. If you are interested to know the username you are using on your LinkedIn account, this video is for you. In your LinkedIn app, navigate to the top left corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Then proceed to scroll down a bit until you locate view profile and tap on it. With this selected, make sure to scroll down a bit until you locate this three dot beside add section and tap on it. Allow it a bit of moment to pull out this information. Continue to tap on contact info. Then with this selected, under your profile you can see this URL link. In the last words, that is my username, which is TechHow-to. Yours might be different, just take note. If you want to proceed to copy your entire URL profile link, you can then tap on this, then make sure to tap on copy. That is it. But as I said earlier, this last information is what is unique to your LinkedIn account, which is your username. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.